Hi, Didi here for the new Redmi Note 10 Lite, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first, let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and vibration section. Here you'll see notifications, ringtone and alarm volume panels. We can change here them just by select one from the available ringtones. Also, if you want to change the media volume from the medias, ringtones and alarms, you should just slide to the left or to the right side these blue panels. Here in sound assistant section, we can adjust media sound in multiple and to use multiple audio sources. Just to do that, we should use these watchers. If you want to turn on or turn off the silent mode or to silence media in silent mode, we should also tap on the switchers to turn on or turn off this option. Also, we got here the don't disturb mode section. We can turn it on or turn it off to set a schedule. Just use it when the device is locked to notify about the calls from now on anyone. And just to notify about repeated calls. And in vibration section, we can turn on or turn off the vibration for calls in silent mode and to use the haptic feedbacks. In additional settings, we can just turn on or turn off by click on each of the switchers, the dial buttons, tap sounds, the lock and lock sounds, screenshot sounds, uninstalling app sounds, the deleting item sounds, the charger sounds and startup sounds. So just for example, let's use these three options. Let's go back, and in sound effect we can also just change here the earphone control settings. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.